Salt of the earth. Salt of the earth. You get characters in all kinds of places. You know, don't take fools gladly. Call a spade, say things as they are. Easy to get on with, that's why it's known as the friendly north. And Clayton-le-Moors is part of that friendly north.
Everybody knows everybody.
Rough around the edges, but like once you're in the community and you see it, it's a lot different to what you would think.
We've got some characters. Most of them are alright. So there's some that could easily go down the wrong path, but there's a lot of good souls as well.
It's a good place. Everyone's very friendly and they'll help you out.
When I was younger, I was like pretty quiet, nervous. I was the youngest, I was 10, 11 years old. So I was like the baby of the group. I was always that small kid with his bag hanging down to his ankles. I think it was before my first skills bout, I seen people like Ellis, who's a coach here now, and they all boxed on that show, and I seen all of them winning. The atmosphere, it was like second to none. It's like a high that I don't think people understand. My dad started probably 11, 12-year-old. He was doing alright and then he got in a bad car crash, which ended his career really, so I think it must have been after my first win or something like that, my second win. My dad was like, I'm going to start coaching. Ever since then, we've done everything with each other, and don't get me wrong, it's not all perfect. We've had some arguments with each other, but see, my dad's an inspiration really. I bet it's hard seeing your son box, and we're like best friends really. Once we get in the gym, it's not my dad, it's my coach. But then as soon as we're out the gym, he's back to being my dad again. We always have that competition who was better. He don't like to admit it, but he said I'm better. Don't get me wrong, not everyone who steps into the gym is going to be a world-class boxer, but even if you just change your life by bringing the self-esteem higher and the dedication and the hard work ethic, which will help him in like real life world. I think that's the most rewarding bit out of everything. Anger problems and ADHD, them coming in after school or something and they've got all this built up tension, and even them going on the bags and just getting their energy out on that. And I've helped quite a few kids who I'm probably more like a big brother to them more than I am a coach or a teammate.
I'm getting a lift home with Lily.
What about me?
Right. You can go and roll in a ditch. Joking. Let me wear the glasses. Can I wear your glasses? I can be specky. Oh, you are blind.
I know I am.
You are blind, Kane.
I know.
Can I flick you here?
No, you can't.
With permission.
No.
Here, move. People move. Whoa. Use your manners, pig. I'll put you in armour.
Right.
You missed my eye. That barely hurt. Give me again.
Get off me, get off me.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna take my red glasses off.
Like Clayton.
No, it depends what area you're going. Anywhere though.
Yeah, like Clayton, it's just like mad, like.
There's always stuff going on.
Yeah, like police are down here 24/7. But same with Aki. Like when I go chilling Aki, it's just like It's decent but funny. Like, sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. If you get what I mean.
Before sports, I didn't care who I was hanging around with, but then with sports, it's like I've got to be there for my team. Surrounding yourself with good people, really. With me, stuff builds up, my ADHD, and then I just explored. So boxing's a really good way to take that out.
Yeah, that's what I do. Like with me, basically my mum and dad split up, and then like after that, I was getting angry at everyone and everything, and like I was doing stupid stuff like. 1 minute you're alright, and then 1 minute you're like, oh fuck off and everything. And then like when I got challenged to come here, like it took all my anger away. Yeah, I still get angry at teachers and everything, but I'm not as bad as I used to be.
It's life lessons that you learn through it.
It's probably harder for boys because like probably say if like you got a lot going on and everything, you hold it all in and you just take it out on some random person.
You get told don't show any emotion and that.
Yeah.
So then you're weak, but you're really not.
My name is Anton. Nikolai, my son, 7 years old. I born in Zaporozhye, in Ukraine. It was normal life. Very beautiful. Always somebody joking. Our life is before and after. I lose everything. So I make decision, take my family and come here. He don't ask about this because he understand we like a little team. It's not too easy to come here, you know. Here people smile. We want to live like normal people. I want not only school for Nikolai and sport. He always watching TV and he like boxing. What we need, we found here near our house. After when he started training in the boxing club, he more easily have communication with another children. I'm very happy because from start he don't have friends and now he feel like normal children. Yeah, he have company where he can play in games, speak. Yeah, I'm very happy. It's a very good school for life, boxing club. For me, he must be happy. And I must do everything for this what I can. I don't want to choose by Nikolai. Nikolai must choose by himself. I'm very glad that he loves going to the boxing club. When we start about future, it's very hard in this time because we don't know. But we hope that everything will be okay. We living, working, studying, and go ahead and be part of this community.
Marriage hits a rocky patch by the way of a binge watch. Box set match. Another round, another ring. This foreign. still sparring, where the air gets ripped by whipping skips, sounds of bags, heavy hit with every punch, a blast of breath with discipline meets primitive. We discovered newfound love, now we find our hands in gloves. A slip and roll, sidestep and duck, block a parry, jab and hook. Footwork dances, canvas flexes, fist pistons pumping with pummeling birds. One or two swift uppercuts, then chin down, then guard up. Boxing is a new romance. We slide our hips, we take the stance. And now we slide our hands in gloves. Now we slide our hands in gloves. Now we find our hands in gloves. Boxing is our new romance. Take the diss, we take the stance. Now we find our hands in gloves. Now we find our hands in gloves. Now we find our